Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your YouTube video not playing on iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you might want to do is simply go ahead and force close your application and try to reopen it. If that doesn't work, you might want to check for any updates available for the application. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for YouTube just like that. And finally, tap on YouTube and tap on the update button as you can see on the screen right over here. So once it is updated, the other thing you might want to do is simply go ahead and reset your network connection. Simply go to your settings, go to General, and scroll down all the way to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and reset network settings. This should go ahead and fix all your problem. If it still doesn't, try restarting your mobile device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.